Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what's in my gym bag video. And I know what you're thinking, Katie, that's not your gym bag, that's a purse. Well, let me just tell you guys, it is actually a gym bag. This is not only a what's in my gym bag video, but it is a video where I'm going to show you the latest piece that I just designed from Corio Active. Not just, we've literally been working on it for so long. And best thing is that it launches on Black Friday. So Black Friday 2020, this bad boy goes live. I can't wait to show you the details of the bag as well as what's in my bag because I really believe it's gonna blow you away. This is my gym bag. Hello, welcome to the Lifestyle Tote from Corio Active. First thing we notice, it looks like a beautiful purse. It smells like a beautiful purse. It's vegan leather, 100% vegan leather, not real leather, but for some reason, it smells like leather. It's black with gold details. It has an exterior pocket on the outside for your quick grabbed items, such as your phone or your wallet. I added this pocket because I absolutely hate digging through my bag trying to find something small. I also made the top zip up completely. I cannot stand feeling like my items are gonna slip out or fall out. Let me just tell you why I made this tote. I am an entrepreneur. I am a fitness person. I work off my laptop. I go to the gym every day, and I could not seem to find a bag that could take me from the morning when I'm working, traveling, coffee shop, to the gym where I have all my gym stuff, to going out at night and it looks like a nice purse. Like I was constantly having to switch from a little wallet to my backpack for work to a gym bag to a purse at nighttime. And I'm like, this is really a hassle to have to switch and carry all of these different bags everywhere I go. Why is there not like just one universal bag that not only has great functionality, but also looks really stylish and put together where I can have all my stuff. And I also carry around my huge water bottle all the time everywhere, and that's awkward and not stylish or cute. So I'm like, I need to make this bag because I feel like it will solve this issue for a lot of women out there. So introducing the bag. Exterior pocket for your phone, wallet, whatever. A full zip top for you to zip it up. And then you have on the back, this is like a nice kind of like more athletic looking style, but it does have like some gold sheen through the holes right there, if you could see. Really subtle, minimal branding with our plaque here. Okay, first off, look at the size of the bag, okay? Size of the bag, it's like, I don't know, this wide and sleek and beautiful. All right, so then you open the bag. Wait until you see what I fit in here. So this is what's in my gym bag, guys. When you get your tote, when you buy this tote and you purchase it, you will find a matching drawstring bag. When you go to the gym, you're gonna put your pretty tote in the locker room and you're gonna pull out this bag and you're going to take this bag with you through the gym. So in here I have all my gym stuff. And I did that to keep it separate because I don't want my gym stuff like stinking up my nice tote. I like to keep things neat and organized. So the gym stuff isn't here. You have a nice exterior pocket, really deep for whatever you need. And then inside the bag, for me, what I usually take to the gym is my weight belt, my knee sleeves, booty band, my headphones. P.S. I need to get new headphones. That's pretty much all I need for the gym. So that is in my drawstring bag. You can also, you can make this bag whatever you want it to be. Put your gym shoes in here if you're not wearing gym shoes. You could put an extra set of clothes in here for after the gym. Your shower stuff if you shower at the gym, whatever, you know? It's a nice universal bag. There's also an interior pocket in there too. Next, I don't even know where to start, I'm so excited. Okay, it includes a 5-inch diameter water bottle sleeve. So you can fit, this is even less than 5 inches. You can fit a bigger water bottle than this inside your tote. So no more awkwardly lugging around your water jug and it ruining your outfit, okay? And you can still be hydrated. Then you have a laptop sleeve. I hope you can see this okay. You have a laptop sleeve for your laptop on one side of the bag. It does have a magnet closure because I absolutely can't stand when the laptop sleeves get all loose and it doesn't stay put. So I did a magnet closure. You have 2 pockets on top of the laptop sleeve here, really deep pockets. I can fit my entire hand inside. There's 2 of those. Okay. You have identical matching pockets on the other side of the bag, and then a zipper pocket for your really valuable stuff like my key, which I don't use because it's like a motion, or, you know, I don't have to put the key in the ignition. What is this called? Touchless, press to touch, whatever. Key goes inside. I have my wallet in one of these pockets as well. Fits really nice. Then I have my sunnies right here, and then a mask. Also in my gym bag, I was able to fit my 1UP pre-workout, which I definitely always take with me. I like to take it with me because I find that if I'm out and about and I don't have time to run home and take my supplements, it's just easier to have my supplements with me. So yes, it fit an entire full-size pre-workout inside my tote bag. I guess that's all I have in my bag. Wow, I thought this would be more interesting for you, but I think it's pretty interesting. So anyways, back to the bag. So then you have this entire cavernous, huge space inside for all your goodies. And that's that, you guys. Oh, plus I also put 4 gold feet on the bottom of the bag so that when you stand it up, it doesn't fall over, because that's absolutely my other pet peeve. When your bag is constantly falling over, that's not fun. There you go. The Corio Lifestyle Tote Bag. I'm so excited, you guys. This bag turned out so beautiful, and I just think you guys are gonna love it. On that note, I'm gonna play a little video that we made to promote the bag and show you its versatility. I'll add that to the end of this video. As far as my actual gym stuff goes, that's really all I need for the gym nowadays, these days. Just my basic gym stuff. The only other thing that I would maybe take to the gym is my squatting shoes, but that's just once a week. Usually only squat once a week. I love you so much. Thanks for watching. Like I said, this tote bag launches on Black Friday, and the Corio Active Black Friday event is not only kicking off with the launch of this tote, but we are also doing 25% off of the sale items and free USA shipping site-wide. So you could get this tote free shipping, which is actually quite a deal since it's a big tote and I ship it in enormous boxes. I try to make the Black Friday event nice for you guys. I'm just so happy to offer this bag. I really think you guys are gonna love it. I know this video was supposed to be what's in my gym bag video, and it turned out into the Corio Active Lifestyle Tote video, but I'm just really excited about it, and I think you guys are gonna love it. And I love you so much, and I hope you have a great holiday with your families, hopefully your families. I unfortunately don't get to go home this year because of COVID. I will be FaceTiming my family on Thanksgiving, but I hope that you are all well and happy, and just soak up the present moment with your families this holiday season. Enjoy every second with them. Love you. I'll talk to you guys soon. See you on Black Friday. Bye. I totally forgot to tell you also that I didn't tell my YouTube family this. We did actually restock the Origin collection. It's a mini restock. I ordered a little bit extra when we made the pre-orders, since the original Origin collection sold out within 2 hours. I know that not everybody got to take advantage of the pre-order, so I did order a little bit extra, and we launched a mini restock on Corio Active for the Origin collection. Right now I'm wearing the sandstone, which is my absolute favorite color. I live in this color. I think it's beautiful. All about the neutrals and the nudes. Yes, please. So all sizes are restocked, extra small through extra large, and that will be available. Actually, it's already available on the Corio Active website. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead, go online, pick out your favorites, and get some free shipping on Black Friday. Love ya. Have a great day.